Let's take a look at leadership as an ability. A person who has leadership ability is able to be a leader. That is, they have the capacity to lead. While the term ability frequently refers to a natural capacity, ability can be acquired. Similarly, some people have the natural physical ability to excel in a sport, while others develop their athletic capacity through exercise and practice. In leadership, some people have the natural ability to lead, while others develop their leadership abilities through hard work and practice. It's an individual's ability that create outstanding leadership.